Hello, everyone! If you are trading on Deriv and looking for a way to automate your success, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm introducing you to PivotCore.net, a powerful auto trading platform designed specifically for Deriv users. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this site simplifies the trading process by doing the heavy lifting for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works with a live demonstration. Today, I'm focusing on the even odds strategy. It's one of the most popular ways to trade, but the key is discipline. My plan for this session is simple. I'm going to place 10 trades with a target of winning at least 5 of them. In the world of automated trading, it's not about winning every single time. It's about having a solid plan and a platform that executes it perfectly. Let's set up the bot and get started. As you watch these trades go through, notice how smooth the interface is on PivotCore.net. For those of you tired of manual trading or dealing with complex setups, this platform is a game changer. It connects seamlessly with your Deriv account, allowing you to run strategies like this even odd sequence with just a few clicks. The beauty of PivotCore is the control it gives you. You can set your stakes, manage your risks, and watch the market movements in real time. If you've been struggling to stay consistent, automation helps remove the emotional stress of trading. We are nearing the end of our 10 trades. Let's look at the performance. As I mentioned earlier, our goal was a 50% win rate to stay on track with our strategy. By using a platform like PivotCore, you can test these math-based strategies without having to click a button every second. It's about working smarter, not harder. You can see how the even odd patterns are developing here, and the bot is reacting instantly to the market ticks. And there we have it, 10 trades completed and we hit our target. This session proves that with the right strategy and a reliable platform like PivotCore.net, you can take your Deriv trading to the next level. If you want to try this out for yourself, I've put the link to PivotCore.net in the description below. Go check it out, set up your account, and start automating your path to success. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more live trading sessions. Happy trading!